Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are going to be removing a washer bottle in a 2006 Subaru Impreza WRX. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Right, we're going to pop the hood right under here. Pull that lever back. Under here is the hood release. Push it to the left. And then the prop rod is right here. Grab that. Stick that right there. We'll take all these clips off. There's 6 of them. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. You can use this tool. Get this underneath. We sell this tool at 1aauto.com. Get underneath and just pry up. Squeeze the tool. Just like that. Get the center part out and use the tool. That one came out easy. At this point, this is all released. All right, we're gonna pull these clips out. Get underneath here, the flat blade tool. Or trim tool. Use a trim tool. Peel up. That's up. Then I can pull this. This piece is going to come off. Take a straight blade screwdriver, get in under here. Clips over here. One last clip. And that comes out like that. There's a clip here, 2 clips there, and a clip right there. And it pulls right out. Now we have to take this little push clip out. And use our trim tool. Oh, this one's a difficult one. Try this trim tool. On your vehicle, you may have a cover that goes right here. There'd be multiple clips that hold it in. You want to take those out. We have these 3 clips that go on this side and also on the passenger side. So we'll take these out. And take this one out. And this one happens to be missing. So we're going to drop the vehicle down a little bit. We have to access this T25 screw. We're going to use a T25 Torx driver. The driver's side is going to be the same as the passenger side. Just pull this out. All right, now we're going to grab on the side of the bumper. Pull out. It's good to have a partner with you so you can pull it off and then you don't drop it. We have a Phillips head screw right here. I'm going to pull that out with a Phillips head screwdriver. That pulls this cover off. We're going to disconnect this electrical connector first. Pull that off. You just push down and that will release the terminal. We're going to pull the pump out. We're going to pull it straight out from the top. Like that. Work it back and forth a little bit. I'm going to use a screwdriver in behind here. Try to pry it out a little bit. Oops. When you pull this off, the wash fluid's going to come out. You're going to want to have a drain bucket so you can catch the washer fluid. Pull the top off and it'll come out faster. Pull the pump out of your way. Disconnect the washer fluid pump. We can just twist this right here. Using a 90-degree pick, I can get in underneath here and break the seal. And then I can twist it and pull it off. And there's your washer pump. You can install this pump. We're going to push this hose on here and then take the pump, slip it into the hole in the reservoir and push down. I can take the electrical connector and clip it in. Okay, we'll put the cover on, get this lined up with a Phillips head screw. Make sure you line the hose up right there. Tighten this down. And we can reattach this wiring harness, clip that in there. And then we're going to fill it up with washer fluid up to capacity. You can reinstall the cap. All right, before we put the new bumper on, make sure this foam piece is on here, like that. You can grab the bumper, line it up in the center. Get the sides lined up, then it'll just clip right in. And we're gonna push this plastic on the inside here, like that, and then install this T25 right there. We'll use the Torx driver and tighten this down. Make sure this lines up good with the fender. And we'll do the same on this side. Now we're going to push all these push clips in, just like that, and then push the lock in. Right, this piece goes on the inside, and this piece comes on the outside, like that. And lock that one. Lock that one. And then we'll do the same over here. Put that in. And if you had that other panel, you would put that in right now. We don't have that on this vehicle. I'm going to stick these push retainers in here. One there. Push that in, lock it down. At this point, we can install this guard right here. Right like that. So push this side in first, and then the rest will snap in. And we'll put these little retainers in. Push those down. We have these other retainers. Push these in. Lock them down. Close the hood. Grab the prop rod. Pull that out. We're going to lock it in right here. And then drop the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.